Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so happy to have you guys back. In today's video, I will be showing you how to create this beautiful rose garden wedding centerpiece. It looks absolutely amazing. Please stay tuned and watch how I assemble this beautiful masterpiece. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to thumbs up this video and don't forget to comment your thoughts below. Please don't forget to check out my Elegant Creators Academy website where you can join for free on how to build your brand and monetize your business online, and you could learn so much more. The link is in the description below. To start off, you want to make sure that you measure your wooden circle plaque to be sure that you are placing the candlesticks in the center of the plaque. Next, you want to be sure that you either spray paint your wooden candlesticks before or after you start to assemble your centerpiece. That choice is completely up to you, but be sure to let it dry first. This is called a moss runner. So what I did is it's pretty big in length and it's pretty wide. So what I did is I just cut a piece out of it. So I cut it to be about 25 inches long and about 2 inches wide. Okay, so you want to cut it about that length. So I'm just gonna basically glue it onto the moss, going all the way down. You could choose to use either a hot glue gun or this super glue. It dries up pretty quick. It's pretty amazing. I also use that glue to glue together my the wood together, and it glues super fast. So you could also use this. I love this glue so far. It's super strong, so whatever you put on top of it, you do not have to worry about it falling apart. Another thing I would love if you guys try it. That's why I love using different kind of spray paint, because I just sometimes just love how the finishing of a spray paint look. This Design Master Premium Metal Rose Gold spray paint. The finishing touches to the spray paint is absolutely amazing. I feel like through the camera you guys can't really, see the color very well, but I'm telling you, you would not be disappointed with this spray paint. It looks You see my flowers is done. It's all dried up. Now what I'm gonna go ahead and do is I'm gonna take the tip here, and then I'm gonna glue it underneath here. Like I'm gonna glue it to the front of my centerpiece like this. I am super happy of the outcome. It was super easy to do. All you have to do is just basically wrap it around the pole. You could use a little bit of a hot glue gun to make it to stay, or a little bit of this glue, but if you don't want it to be permanent, I say leave it as is, and all you got to do is just wrap it around and then just glue it a little bit to the bottom, and then you're good to go.